Hi, I'm Wade Hamlin, inventor and owner of Bow Snatcher. In this segment, we're going to show you how to attach the different portions of the Bow Snatcher system. On this video, we're going to show you how to attach what we call the male portion, which is basically the piece that you attach to your bow in order to attach it to the Bow Snatcher itself. So this bow is a right-handed bow, which is probably most common. These work with both a right-handed and a left-handed bow. You simply flip it over on the other side for a left-handed bow, and this position for a right-handed bow. You want to make sure that the male portion is on the opposite side of your sight bracket and quiver mount, stuff like that. Get this tightened up here real quick. This is probably the kind of the plain version. This is no wrist strap, no stabilizer. Comes with a supplied bolt and a washer. And what you want to do is you want to position this so the outside of the male portion is parallel with the bow, and you want to make sure this is pretty snug, so it doesn't come loose while you're carrying it in your bow. So that's the easiest setup, and we'll move on to a different style here, which is utilizing a wrist sling. A lot of people use a wrist sling with a stabilizer also. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but you can position the male portion either facing out to give you more room in between the wrist strap, or you can flip this over like this last bow and have it pointing to the inside there, a little more streamlined. So that's the second style. This last style is probably the most common, using a stabilizer setup. What you do is you take your stabilizer off, you mount your male portion onto the threads of the stabilizer, and then tighten it up. Like I say, making sure that if you're a right-handed shooter, that it's facing out on the opposite side of your sight bracket and your quiver mounts. And what I like to do when I put this on, because it's a little tougher to hold on to this and get this tight, is I like to put the male portion kind of in a 1 or 2 o'clock position, and then use it kind of as leverage to tighten the whole thing down. So I'm going to crank this down pretty snug and try to get it close to 90 degrees parallel with the string. So that's the 3 most common types, and in the next segment we'll show you how to mount the receiver up to the backpack.